لبيك اللهم لبيك.
Have you ever heard about a very special journey called Hajj? It's like a big trip to Allah's house in Mecca. Let's learn all about it. Hajj is a super important trip that Muslims make once in their lifetime if they can. It's a way to get closer to Allah and remember Prophet Ibrahim and his family. A duty for those who are able. Before starting Hajj, Muslims wear special, simple, white clothes called ihram. It reminds us that everyone is equal in front of Allah, no matter if you're rich or poor. The first thing pilgrims do in Mecca is go to the holy Kaaba. They walk around it 7 times, saying special prayers. This is called tawaf. Next, pilgrims walk rapidly between 2 small hills called Safa and Marwa 7 times. This is called sa'i. Hazrat Hajra Raziyallahu Anhu with his son Ismail alayhi salam ran here and searched for water, and Allah helped her, filled the well with Zamzam in the desert. After Tawaf and Sa'i, pilgrims go to a place called Mina. They stay in many tents, resting and praying, getting ready for the next big day, the big day of Arafah. The most important day of Hajj is the day of Arafah. Everyone gathers in Arafat, praying to Allah and asking for forgiveness. It's a day of deep reflection and asking for good things. This is called Wukuf in Arafat. Imam gives sermon on the day of Arafah. Before Zuhr prayer, Imam gives the sermon of Hajj. He teaches us about the beautiful lessons from our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and how to live our lives in a way that pleases Allah. Millions of Muslims, Haji, listen to the sermon. Pilgrims, Haji, perform the Zuhr and Asr prayers, combined and shortened, Qasr, which is a very important part of the day of Arafat. After Arafat, pilgrims go Muzdalifah. They spend the night under the stars and collect small pebbles for the next step. It's time for Rami, which means throwing pebbles at 3 pillars. This reminds us of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam throwing stones at the devil when he tried to stop him from obeying Allah. After Rami, pilgrims offer a sacrifice, usually a sheep or a goat. This reminds us of Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice for Allah. After the sacrifice, men shave their heads or trim their hair, and women trim a little bit of their hair. This shows they've completed a big part of Hajj. Before leaving Makkah, pilgrims do one last tawaf around the Kaaba, saying goodbye. It's called Tawaf al-Wada. Wow! That was an amazing journey, wasn't it? Hajj teaches us about patience, unity, and equality. Maybe one day, you'll get to go on this special trip too. If you liked the video, do subscribe